Hey everyone, welcome back to No Madness Reactions. Today, oh my, I guess I'll just show you. Okay, so today, there it is, the passenger seat. Hey, before you go, ooh, you can fix this. We can fix this, guys. And plus, we got it for $15. You can't beat that. And we have a unique base in the Econoline. Do you see how they're not straight across from each other? One is set back. That's why this seat's so hard to find. Now, we are going to order custom seats eventually, but for now, let's just try to fix this up. So, I'm going to show you how to clean this, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. And we're going to put a cover over it anyway, but it's good to know that underneath it'll be clean and fixed. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. All right, let's get to it. First step, let's clean it. Ooh, gross. Okay. Oh, goodness. I think we better take this off. Okay, next step. All right, you're gonna get a squirt bottle. You're gonna add hot water, hot as you want. Hot water, and you're gonna add a little bit of Dawn dish soap. About that much. Okay. This is if you don't have an upholstery cleaner, which I do. But this is the way to do it if you don't, okay? Because Dawn attracts the grease and removes it, right? Oil, grease. This is what Dawn's used for. So, this is a good way. You need the hot water too. All right, let's get to it. Okay. As you can see, it's definitely dirty, right? Now, there's some deep, like this looks like paint. Oh, wait. This looks like some sort of paint. So that's not going to come off, or that. But let's see how clean we can get this. And you see the seat? Yes. That's where we're going to start. So you're going to spray. And you're going to do this probably 3 or 4 times if the seat's really dirty. So we got to get that hot water and that Dawn to absorb. We're going to be doing a few passes on the seat because it's pretty dirty. Like I said, I'm going to cover it, but I don't want it to be dirty underneath, right? Okay, so here we go. Already looking better. And there was a couple stains right here that actually came right out. You can concentrate on the stains if you'd like. Let that sit. But the wetback pulls that. There's a stain right there. It pulls the moisture out immediately. You're gonna do this probably 3 or 4 times. Just depends on how dirty it is. Whoever sat on the seat must have been covered in tar. Look at this stain. Look at this stain. Let's see if we can get it out. Let that sit. See that? We got that stain out. Do you see how much better the seat looks? Holy moly. So much better. And here's the deal. I'm covering it anyway. I just wanted to make sure it was clean underneath. As clean as I could get it. So yeah, this really does work. So anyway, on the next video, I'm going to let this dry for quite a while. I still have to do the arm, but I'm going to let this dry for quite a while. And then on the next video, I'm going to show you how to repair this. So, stay tuned for the next video. Okay, guys, I'll see you next time.